Alright guys, today I will be showing you guys how to jump start a vehicle, especially a BMW. If you come across that your car doesn't want to start, if the car was sitting for 1 month or it shut down for some reason, and there could be several reasons why the car shut down. One, it could be a bad battery, it could be a bad alternator, but however, if you do need to jump start a car, and let's say you go to the grocery store, you shut off your car, and once you come back, the car doesn't want to start. That can easily mean a bad battery. But if you need somebody can help you jump start a vehicle, this is what would you do on a case of a BMW. A lot of people will open up the hood, but there's no battery here. So what do you do? Where do you connect your jump box to? One thing I want to point out is the whole chassis, meaning here, anywhere like bolts, right here, strut bolt, is the negative side of the battery, which is called the ground. But on a BMW, the batteries are usually located in the trunk. But if you're under the hood and you would come to, on the case of a BMW 2006 325i, you will see this box right here, which is the positive. It has a plus sign on it, and plus it has a red letter label here. This is where you would connect your positive lead of the jump. This is coming straight from the battery here, and then if you look a little bit across, and you will see like a letter right here, big bolt right here. This is grounded to the body of the car, and the battery in the trunk is grounded to the body. So connecting here is like connecting to the negative side of the battery, and this is to the positive side of the battery. So what would you do is, if you have a jumper box like this, you do want to look for like thick fat cables. If you have jumper cables, a lot of people use those AutoZone very thin cables. They never work. They heat up when you try to jump, but they do not jump start the vehicle. So in this case, what you would do is, you will take first your negative lead, you connect it to negative, and then your positive lead, you will see a spark maybe coming out here. You will connect it to the positive side, which is the red side, which is the plus side of the battery. You would connect it there, and then I'm gonna walk over to the inside of the car. You would take your key, and the car should start right up. All right, and I want to show you one more thing. You can also take this jump box or jumper cables. If you're jumping with the cables, you can go to the trunk of the car, which is back here. I just want to show you. You see this guy has jumper cables. They're not as thick as these cables. You see the difference? This is a jumper cable, and this is my jump box. This is gonna heat up. It's probably not even gonna start up the car. So if you go in back of the trunk, you move this little panel, you're gonna see the battery back here. This is the negative side, and this is the positive, which is the red. You would do the same thing here. You would put I was gonna put the positive first. You're gonna put the negative first, and then the positive. And then you would do the same thing again, go inside the car and start up the car. And the car should start up, and that's how you jump a BMW. You give it a jump start with the jump box or with the cables.